In 2024, I want to make $100,000, and these 5 books are going to help me do just that. Book number 1 that you have to read this year if you want to earn more money than ever before is a book called Finish by a guy named John ACUFF. Now, I've read all of John's books. They are phenomenal, but what I love about Finish more than any other book is that it actually helps you set the right goals, and not only set the right goals, but do what 90% of America can't do. Finish your goals. 90% of America fails. New Year's Eve is right around the corner. That means New Year's resolutions and gym memberships are going to be on the rise, but everything happens on January 13th when they all go on the decline. Why? Because people suck at finishing their goals. Why? Because they set the wrong goals. So for me to accomplish my goal this year, I'm using this book to help set the right goal to succeed in my business by taking the proper steps. Book number 2 is YouTube Secrets by Cannel and Benji Travis. One of my favorite things Sean talks about in the book is the answer-specific question, the ASQ method. He even talks about a lot on his Think Media channel. And because of applying the method from that book, I got a video with 12,000 views in its entirety of its lifetime, and just since July, which is incredible for a channel as small as mine, where my average views are honestly right about 100 to 1,000, right? Like I usually live in that range. 12,000 is an anomaly. Why was I able to get that anomaly? Because I answered a specific question and the video ranked in search. If I want YouTube to become an arm of my business to help me get to $100,000, then I have to answer specific questions with my videos. This video right here is an answer specific question video. These are 5 books you need to read in 2024, especially if you want to earn money. Why should you read a YouTube book? Well, the answer is simple. If you want to earn money, one of the best ways to do it is by building your personal brand. And the best way to build your personal brand is by having a YouTube channel. Next up on that list is Atomic Habits by James Clear. Now, this book is insane and has a wealth of information, but one of the things I really want to focus on is aggregated marginal gains. In the book, James tells a story about cyclists who were losing and have traditionally just losers, right? But how do they end up becoming world-class winners? Well, they improved little by little, down to every single detail of their entire process. They thought, how can I make this better today than it was yesterday? And so for me, as I enter into 2024, the question I'm asking both personally, in my business life, in my spiritual life, is what can be better today that wasn't better yesterday? What is 1% change, one marginal difference I can make to improve my overall life? Because those aggregated marginal gains compound over 365 days and lead to massive results. Next up on the list is $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi. Here's the deal. You probably know who Alex Hormozi is, especially if you love business. If not, check out his channel and read the flippin' book. It's free on his podcast. Know how to make a great offer. And reminder, no one will buy your offer if it sucks. So read this book and discover what makes a great offer. And then last but not least, Superfans by Pat Flynn. One thing I love about this book is that Pat really kind of breaks down the idea that if you can build a competent core group of people who love what you do because you bring a tremendous amount of value to them, then that will pay in perpetuity. One of the things that I do is I have this email list that is growing, that has a really incredibly high read rate of 53%. 53% of the people who get my email open it. That is insane, because in my niche, the read rate's normally like 12%. I'm way above average, and I believe I'm way above average because I provide value to my people in my email list by providing free resources or free Notion documents or things along those natures, right? Or discounted coaching and all that kind of stuff that I offer them, and they get exclusive teaching that's not found anywhere else. So because of that, I really do believe, right? Like I am able to help people succeed and have a high read rate because these people love what I'm putting out. And so therefore, right, my goal over this next year is I want to continue to cultivate super fans who love what I'm doing, who want to grow their video editing business, who want to scale their money to unbelievable heights, because that's what I want to do. And I want those people to come along the journey with me. So these are 5 books you have to read, have to, if you want to succeed this next year. And also, if you want to keep succeeding this next year, well, click right here so that you can keep learning.